Hi babes, welcome. If you're someone that don't like the heavy weight of braids but you like the full look, in this video I am going to show you a hack I use in making my own hair. I make few braids and then I make it look voluminous. So I'm going to make the braids, then after that I'll join you in the video as I add the coily piece and define the coils and every other thing to make it come out really gorgeous. You're going to see I have very few braids on my hair. Just watch and see. Enjoy. I really made the hair kind of scanty. The edges are not laid or anything, but you can see it is kind of big and few. This is the whole hair I have on my head. Let me show you. This is the whole hair I have on my head. This is all of it. This hairpiece is from Darling's Hair Extension. Is their wavy coil. Is that what it's called? Coily waves. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some pieces of this making it look like stop. Making it look like goddess braid, even though I didn't start making goddess braid from the back. So all you need is your curly hair piece and some latch hook. So I need to start close to the scalp because sincerely this hair, like my scalp, is most scanty. So I'm going to add one piece here by just going in. I will latch the hair down, go in from somewhere else and grab only one piece of hair. And grab only one piece of hair and put it through. Oh man! So see, it can't move. It cannot slide down. Look at how much volume this has given me already. Nobody's going to know I made very few. Not very few, but you know, scanty box braids. So another one. The length of this is not going to be up to the length of the hair. Oh, it actually is. Fine. But I can still vary exactly where I need volume here. I need volume here because this is where I messed up. Not messed up, this is where I made the hair most scanty. And also on the side, so it's fine. Go in, go back, go in again, grab the hair, close it, and come back up. Fail. Let's go again. Go once, grab the hair, pass it through, close the latch hook, make sure it's inside. Go again, close the latch hook. Now I'm going to pass through both the braiding hair and the first piece I pulled out. And it cannot slide out, it cannot move. So in order to tame it a little bit, although I don't mind the volume, like sincerely I like the volume, but I want it to look a little bit less frizzy. So to do that, I am just going to add little water to my hand and rub it through the hair. So I have about half of the hair on one side, right? And I just applied a little water. And it's already looking much more tamed than this side. So I can actually try to grab all the coil rods. Is that all? So all these big volume will have anything, just this. And I have one on the last piece on them. Now that I have this, I will go in with my gel. Just because the hair is white, I have to use a gel that is either white or close to white. This is blue. I don't mind if my curly hair piece has a blue tint to it. I don't mind that also. We are going to blow the hair, especially the bottom part. I'm just trying to define the curls. That one is changing the colors. Why can't somebody do pick and drop with this hair? That's what I actually did that time. You can only that. Look at it. This one's some forgotten ones. This one was forgotten. Is that what I forgot? Nah, it's not bad. Right, so we're going to do the same thing to this side.